it's Morgan with WTI, and I absolutely love this book seat. This product is so awesome and kind of a must have for any book reader because it just holds up your book so you can just sit back and relax. You don't have to hold on to it. You can get cozy, you can drink your drink, and you don't have to worry about holding up your book, especially hardcovers. This thing is so great. It's really, really comfy. It's kind of like a pillow type material, like very soft, and it's got like beanbag material inside. So it's very comfy, it's very lightweight, and it's really easy to put your book in. You just kind of adjust this little clear plastic piece at the bottom and you throw your book right in. It's awesome. And it's great that it's, clear so you can read through it. And it's really awesome. It's very easy to use. And you can definitely use it for a lot of different things, but of course, books have my heart. So, this is just the coolest product for getting cozy and reading your books, and I just love it. I love this book seat, and that's my point of view.